Hello everyone. If you're getting this error when you're trying to update your Windows, your device is missing important security and quality fixes, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying error on your Windows update. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser and you're going to search for Windows 11 Update Assistant. You're going to click onto this first link from Microsoft.com and then you're going to click download now on here. Download this program up, open it up, click yes on here, and then since I already have my Windows updated to the latest version, you'll click next on here and you'll follow the on-screen instructions to update your Windows, and that way you can manually update your Windows and you won't get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.